Hey there, Tam here from Perfect Supplements Australia. Hope you're having an awesome day, whatever you're up to. And thanks for joining me in my kitchen today, where I'm going to be showing you how to make my amazing Anti-age Me smoothie. I hope you enjoy. So just like all of my other smoothie recipes, I like to show you guys how to use the products, the Perfect supplements in your smoothie so that you get to understand how to use the products and also how to get the most out of your smoothie. Most of my smoothies only contain 1 to 2 Perfect Supplements products, but today's contains quite a few, as you can see. But they've been carefully selected because this is the ultimate anti-aging smoothie, which I decided to call Amazing Anti-age Me. And so we've got a lot of things that are great for skin. So blueberries are high in antioxidants naturally, and so is resveratrol. So that's why I'm adding the Perfect ResGrape. Collagen powder, obviously collagen's amazing for your skin. We're losing collagen every year at a rate of about 1% each year. So it's really important to supplement and boost that back up. Then we've got MCT oil, which is also a great skin supplement, and it's a great essential fatty acid as well. And acai, which is another great antioxidant, and it's also a great source of omegas, which is really good for your skin as well. And the matchinga. So matchinga